بریم سراغ درس 21 Ways of Organizing Text. روش‌های چیندن متن یا نظم‌دهی به متن که چیزایی که یاد می‌گیریم subject choice, introductory it, ellipses, organizing information it and what clauses که تک به تک کامل همه رو توضیح میدیم. اما قبلش یه لیسنینگ داریم. گفته دفعه اول گوش کنید و سعی کنید به این سوال جواب بدید. Do you live alone? Do you always shop at the same place? How many times a week do you do the shopping? یا Do you always shop on the same day? ولی خب ما گوش میکنیم و جای خالی ها رو کامل میکنیم و بعد گرامرش رو توضیح میدیم.
Recording 21.
Excuse me, can you spare a few minutes to answer some questions?
Yes, I suppose so. What's it for?
I'm doing a survey about people's shopping habits for a university assignment.
Oh, all right then.
Great. First, I need to ask about your household. Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
No, I live with my family. و فاعلی که اینجا استفاده کرده I هست.
My husband and 3 children.
And how many times a week do you do the food shopping?
Well,
And how many times a week do you do the food shopping? Do you do که اینجا هم فاعل you هست.
I usually do my food shopping once a week at the supermarket.
Do you usually shop alone or with someone else in your family?
Oh, I always do it on my own.
I always do it on my own.
If I go with the others,
If I go with the others,
they always put too many things in the trolley and it costs me a fortune.
they always put too many things in the trolley and cost me a fortune. خب فاعلاش I always do. If I go, they always put و it cost که اینجا هم فاعل it هست.
Right. And do you always shop at this supermarket?
Yes, it's very close to my house, so it's very convenient.
And do you tend to do the shopping on the same day of the week?
Yes, actually, I always do the food shopping on Thursdays because
I always do the food shopping on Thursdays because
I work Monday to Wednesday and there are fewer people in the supermarket on Thursday than on Friday.
I work Monday to Wednesday and there are fewer people in the supermarket on Thursday than on Friday. فاعلمون I always do, I work، اما اینجا there are. فاعلمون اینجا there هست. و آخریش.
Great. Finally, would you ever consider using a computer to buy your shopping online?
Well, I did try it once, but I didn't like it.
Well, I did try it once, but I didn't like it. فاعلمون دوتا I هستن.
Can I ask you why not?
Can I ask you why not? که اینجا هم فاعل دوباره I هست.
Well, what I like is being able to see the products and walking around the shop and maybe buying things that aren't on my shopping list, you know. You can't do that on your computer, can you?
You can't do that on your computer, can you? You can't. اینجا فاعل you هست.
No, I suppose not.
خب این از لیسنینگ حتما ترانسکرایب کنید که لغات خیلی خوب و کاربردی داره. اما تمرین 4 دانشجو اومده مصاحبه رو تبدیل به گزارش کرده. میخوایم ببینیم که فاعلای توی گزارش با فاعلای توی مصاحبه چه فرقی داره. گزارش به این صورت. Nowadays people appear to do their shopping on a weekly basis at large supermarkets. People appear to داره به افراد اشاره میکنه. اونجا گفته بود I، اینجا میگه people. These supermarkets seem to have largely replaced the smaller individual shops. دوباره I تبدیل به supermarkets. Most people tend to go to the same store on the same day of the week and according to my survey results, it is still the women who do most of the shopping. از most people استفاده کرده. In general, the people who were interviewed were not positive about online shopping. However, it is important to note that the respondents were interviewed at supermarket and were not a random sample of the general public. The respondents, the people who were interviewed. می‌بینید که فاعل‌ها جنرال تر و حالت رسمی تری به خودش گرفته. برای رایتینگ، برای گزارش نویسی ما باید حالت جنرال تر و رسمی تری داشته باشیم، پس دیگه کمتر از آی و یو میتونیم استفاده کنیم. حالا گرامر کاملش رو توی ویدیوی بعدی با هم دیگه کار کنیم. خیلی ممنونم. تا ویدیوی بعدی، خدا نگهدارتون.